Two Romanian pipers photographed together, their music carried across an ocean. A horseman from the Guria region of western Georgia, still dressed for the saddle, not the sea. A Turkish man in his fez photographed the moment he stepped off the ship. Three Dutch women in starched white caps waiting together in the Great Hall. A Serbian Romani family photographed together as they waited to be processed. Sami children from the far north, dressed in reindeer herder wool and bright woven bands. Dutch children in wooden clogs and lace caps, waiting with their family to be let into America. Three women from Guadeloupe, among the very few Caribbean travelers ever photographed here. An Algerian man in a striped robe and turban, thousands of miles from home. A German stowaway caught hiding aboard the ship and brought in for questioning. A young attendant from Madras, India, one of the rarest faces in the entire collection. An Italian woman in her Sunday best, photographed on the threshold of a new life. An Albanian soldier, still in uniform, one of many veterans who chose to start over in America. A Danish man, calm and steady at the very start of his American story. A Dutch woman in traditional dress, photographed just after arriving. A Ruthenian woman in an elaborately embroidered headdress, one of thousands who passed through these halls. A Greek Orthodox priest in his tall clergy hat, captured moments after arriving on Ellis Island. Slovakian women standing together, holding onto each other in an unfamiliar new world. A Greek woman in traditional dress, photographed on her very first day in America. A Slovak mother and her children, waiting together to be let through. A Romanian shepherd in his traditional sheepskin coat, still dressed for the mountains he left behind. Another Romanian shepherd photographed the same year, in the same heavy coat. Two horsemen from the Guria region of western Georgia, photographed side by side. An extended Serbian Romani family, the whole household photographed together. A Sami woman from Norway, in a costume rarely seen outside her homeland. Three horsemen from the Guria region of western Georgia, their traditional dress a world away from New York. A Norwegian woman in a traditional bunad, the folk dress of her home village. A woman from Guadeloupe, dressed in the vivid colors of her Caribbean homeland. Another Algerian traveler, photographed the same year in the same striped robe style. More Sami children, photographed together on their very first day in a new country. Two Scottish boys in full Highland dress, kilts and all, freshly landed in New York. A girl from Rättvik, Sweden, in the striped folk costume of her home province of Dalarna. Another Ruthenian woman in her finest embroidered dress, one face among thousands photographed here. A young woman from Alsace-Lorraine, wearing a huge ceremonial bow, steps onto American soil. A Greek soldier still in uniform, one of many veterans who chose to start over in America. A Romanian musician with his pipe, photographed moments after crossing the ocean to start a new life in New York. A Bavarian man in his felt hat, brought all the way from the mountains of southern Germany. Another Italian woman, one of the millions who passed through these halls in search of a better future. A Romanian woman in a heavily embroidered coat, one face among thousands photographed here. Romanian women in heavy embroidered coats, standing together for the camera. Another Bavarian traveler, photographed the same year in the same felt hat.